Hi, I'm Dr. Mehmet Erdoğan. I'm a hair transplant surgeon and one of the co-founders of Smile Hair Clinic in Istanbul. For over a decade, I've helped patients from all over the world, not just their hair, but their confidence. Today, I want to share some essential tips with you, especially if you are planning to come to Turkey for a hair transplant. Let's dive in. Turkey is one of the top destinations for hair restoration, but not all clinics are the same. So, what you should look for? First, make sure the clinic is licensed and doctor-led. The procedure must be performed supervised by experienced physicians, not the technicians alone. Second, check their before-after results and real patient reviews. Good clinics have nothing to hide. Transparency matters. Third, ask what technique is being used: FUE, DHI, Sapphire, or something unique. At Smile Hair Clinic, we use refined version of FUE called the unique FUE technique, which improves graft survival and gives more natural results. Fourth, evaluate their medical team and facilities. Look their cellular conditions, modern equipment, and the patient support in your language. And finally, check the clinic is listed and verified by Health Turkey. That's the official platform supported by Ministry of Health. It ensures the clinic meets the high standards for the international patients. If you are planning to get a hair transplant in Turkey, do your research, ask questions, and trust only experienced doctors. We at Smile Hair Clinic are proud to be Health Turkey approved center welcoming patients from 160 countries. If you'd like to start your journey, we are here to help. Send us a message or book your consultation through our website or social channels. Let's bring your hair and your confidence back.